So now we'll double click and open it. Okay, it is initializing the application. Since this is the first time it is launching, so it might take a little bit time, but once you sign in to your application, next time whenever you'll open, it won't take that much time. We have to be a little bit more patient. Okay, so once you double click on the icon, this is the first thing it will show you. As you can see here at the left hand side, Power BI desktop, get data, recent sources, and open other reports. And in the middle section, there are some samples for the new users. So if you wish, you can open how we can build a report, query view, concept, uploading a report, and create a phone report. And some other information, if you want to read these tutorials, we have a link here. You can go and check out. So it is not asking me all the sign-in information because I already entered my login credential when I start first downloaded the software. But if you are a new user, then definitely it will prompt here in the middle section all your sign-in information. If you want to give, you can give, otherwise you can skip it. And now we'll go and click on get data. So as soon as we click on get data, it will show some data sources, but we are not interested in getting data as of now. First, we will take a little tour on this product, like what all elements it has and how we can use this thing. So if you are familiar with any Microsoft product like MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, so similarly you'll find this ribbon here where we have file, all the same stuff, open, save as, and some other functionality, import and export. If you click on home, you will get some information related to data sources, get data, enter data, query data, new page, and so on. On viewing link, there are different viewing option, phone layout, page layout, and some other things. Under modeling, we have some links related to data arrangement. So when we will work on data, we will definitely use this particular tab. And then help, if you have any other query, you can check out these particular links here under the tab. You can see here when we hover, this particular area is getting visible for you. So if you want to make it visible permanently for you, then you can click here near the username. There is an icon here. So if you click here, it will by default show all these tabs for you. And if you'll toggle it, then the reverse effect will happen. So for now, I'll click on the visible option here. Okay, and now at the right hand side, you can see these three icons. Now we will explore all these icons. So first icon is for the report. So we are already on this particular report section area. Next is data. So once we import any data, get any data, then the data information you will find under this section. And the last one is a model. So basically this will show all the relationships between the data or the table. We can set up our layout on, we can see all the tables of particular data set, which we will see. At the right hand side, you can see filters, visualization, and the fields. So filters are the new feature which is recently updated in Microsoft Power BI desktop, which we will explore it shortly. And then under visualization section, here are different visuals which we can add, and we can create these visuals inside report, and then we have field. So if you do not want these things to show, then you can hide these panels. We have explored a little bit about this tool, Power BI Desktop. So I hope you found this video to be very helpful, and please do let me know if you have any query regarding this particular video. I'll definitely try to respond you, and please do like, share and subscribe this channel. All the information related to this particular video I have linked into the description box. Please do check out, and have a nice day, and thank you so much.